Shot? Shot? Mostly charged. You good? Ah!
Well, I've done 8 flights so far.
You've only been here for a little while? What? Yes. You know what's funny, Nate? When you made me flinch, the camera took that that jerky motion out. You can't even see it. It would be all shaky. No, it's an Apple.
I'm saying, but if it was Android, it would be all shaky.
Yeah, no, it was, because it was.
This is probably the worst place to stand at night to fly.
Yeah, it is. You got to be over there.
Yeah. But
No,
because
I
we have
always
lights.
like over here.
Huh?
I always like over here.
All right, so I'm just recording all the madness. Are you ready, Jack?
Nate wants to land.
Nate, when are you landing? Okay, go here. Where are you gonna stand? Where do you want to stand? You cold?
No.
Yes.
It's not cold.
You need a jacket. Where's your jacket?
We're wearing nothing, man.
I have one I can drape over you. I have a few jackets if you want one.
Shoulders down. Now you're gonna fly the Corsair again? So your mom can't see.
Wow, that's an amazing plane.
It is. It's pretty cool.
Look at the sunset. You ready? Come on.
God, they keep swirling around.
It's a tail dragger.
No, it's not.
Ready? Ready?
It's a Corsair. You can only say that if it's a Spitfire. Jack, you wanna stand? Yeah.
So I'm recording all the craziness. Ah! Very cool plane, Nate. It didn't look like that when you landed.
No, because I didn't put the blocks on. I didn't
Oh,
want my blocks over the side. Oh no. It wanted to roll real bad.
Maybe that's why.
Alright, ready?
Go.
Take enough.
Gear up.
Brand new battery in here.
What is it?
The new China Hobby Line 70C 4000. Whoa. The moon actually makes it a lot easier to see.
I know, I'm like, it's not that bad actually. With the F-22, they square all day.
Yeah.
I swear, that's like, I just got really slow.
Guys,
What's
I just found out why it was. I
The,
just found out why it was so hazy out here.
why?
One of the cars in that accident was on fire.
Oh, wow.
There was an accident on 203.
Oh, wait. Where's
Well, but
that?
there's a lot more smoke than just that.
Did you guys come through 680?
You know, his mom is.
That's not a car accident. No. A car accident will not
I think there was just something stuck in my flat.
2 minutes.
Okay.
A car accident will not make
Well, it would make a lot of black smoke in that area, not all
Yeah,
over.
not here, that is-
I wonder where there is an actual fire or
Hey,
haze.
you want to do any formation
No,
stuff?
I can't hardly see.
Yeah.
I'll do some touch and goes, but that's about it.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I'm actually about
Left to right.
to do a touch and go from the left right now. I hope
Something was just stuck in my flap hinge.
I hope my gear's down.
I just worked it a little bit and it was okay.
I have no way of knowing, so.
This thing,
Oh wow, I can actually
Pass left, right.
I can actually see because of the moon.
Look past left, right.
It was hazy. Even when I
Flaps
was
up.
working, I didn't see
Gear
that.
up.
It's smoke in the air from somewhere.
I'm gonna touch and go.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Same here. Oh, I just totally lost the plane.
You good, Ray?
Yep. I just it blanked out. I couldn't see it at all.
But once you make one move,
Yeah.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, going that way, it's
Time
not good.
remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Nate.
Gear down.
Nate, what are you night flying?
The cargo plane.
I'm gonna come mess around with you guys with my arrow.
I gotta fly it now though because in the pit flight it's a little bit sketchy.
Oh, come on.
I got a parachute that I'm gonna drop out of it.
One with the little finger light.
I brought a ton of finger lights.
Okay, I'm coming in for good. I can't see.
You're landing right?
Yeah.
I'll land after you. I'm gonna do proper like approach though. Oh, very nice.
I'm going to try my best to escort you in.
Landing, Jack.
Wait, which way?
Yeah, come on.
Right flag.
I'm taxiing back really close to us.
Seconds. You're on it.
Yeah, you're fine. We're complete opposite of each other. And I gotta go try the F-22.